Welcome to Tech AI Explorer. Please subscribe. We live in a world increasingly awash in images. Every swipe, scroll, and click floods our senses with a constant stream of visual information. But what happens when the line between the real and the fabricated blurs? In our previous video, we explained the difference between AI Chat GPT-4 and Chat GPT-4o, and today, we welcome you to the age of hyperreality, where technology has advanced to the point where it can create experiences that are virtually indistinguishable from actual reality. From the filtered perfection of social media feeds to the immersive landscapes of virtual reality, we're constantly bombarded with images that have been manipulated, enhanced, or entirely manufactured. This constant exposure has a profound effect on our perception, shaping how we see the world and ourselves. But how can we navigate this new visual landscape? This essay will explore the concept of hyperreality and its growing influence on our lives and perceptions. We'll delve into the technologies driving this phenomenon, from artificial intelligence to virtual and augmented reality, and examine their impact on various aspects of our existence. Get ready to question what you see and challenge your understanding of what's real. Join us as we journey into the heart of hyperreality, uncovering its implications for our future and exploring how we can stay grounded in a world where seeing is no longer believing. Buckle up, it's going to be a wild ride. Remember the last time you saw a picture-perfect sunset on Instagram, or watched a breathtaking stunt in a movie? Chances are, what you witnessed was carefully curated, edited, or even entirely computer-generated. The line between reality and fabrication is becoming increasingly blurred. This is hyperreality in action, where technology empowers us to create experiences that transcend the limitations of the physical world. While this opens up exciting possibilities, it also presents a unique set of challenges. How do we discern truth from fiction in a world saturated with hyperrealistic imagery? As we'll discover, the implications of hyperreality extend far beyond entertainment and aesthetics. From influencing our purchasing decisions to shaping our political views, the pervasive nature of manipulated visuals has far-reaching consequences. It's time to equip ourselves with the critical thinking skills needed to navigate this complex landscape. Throughout this essay, we'll unpack the multifaceted nature of hyperreality, exploring its impact on our relationships, our identities, and our understanding of the world around us. Prepare to question everything you thought you knew about what's real and what's not. Step into the future of healthcare, where the doctor's office isn't confined by four walls but extends into the digital realm. Imagine a world where geographical barriers dissolve, and access to specialized medical expertise is just a click away. This is the promise of telemedicine, powered by the remarkable capabilities of GPT-4o Vision. No longer limited by distance, patients in remote areas or with mobility challenges can consult with leading specialists through secure video conferencing. But GPT-4o Vision takes telemedicine a step further, enabling real-time analysis of medical images during these virtual consultations. Imagine a world where a doctor in a bustling city hospital can provide instant feedback on a patient's X-ray taken in a rural clinic hundreds of miles away. This seamless integration of AI-powered diagnostics with remote consultations is revolutionizing healthcare delivery, making quality medical care more accessible than ever before. But the impact of GPT-4o Vision on healthcare extends far beyond telemedicine. It's transforming the very fabric of medical diagnostics, ushering in an era of unprecedented accuracy and speed. Let's delve deeper into the remarkable diagnostic prowess of this groundbreaking technology. The human eye, for all its wonders, has its limitations. Even the most skilled medical professionals can miss subtle anomalies in complex medical images, especially when faced with fatigue or time constraints. This is where GPT-4o Vision steps in, offering a second pair of eyes that never tire and miss a detail. Trained on vast data sets of medical images, GPT-40 Vision can analyze X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans with remarkable accuracy. It can detect minute tumors hidden within layers of tissue, identify early signs of diseases like Alzheimer's, and even predict the likelihood of a patient developing certain conditions in the future. This level of diagnostic precision has the potential to revolutionize patient outcomes. Early detection of diseases is crucial for successful treatment, and GPT-4o Vision empowers doctors to diagnose illnesses at their earliest stages, significantly increasing the chances of recovery. But the impact of AI in healthcare extends beyond diagnostics. It's streamlining workflows, automating tasks, and freeing up medical professionals to focus on what truly matters: patient care. Imagine a world where doctors have more time to spend with their patients, discussing treatment options and providing compassionate care. This is the future of healthcare, powered by the transformative capabilities of GPT-4o Vision. Imagine a world where creativity knows no bounds, where the only limit to artistic expression is the power of imagination. GPT-40 Vision takes us a giant leap closer to this reality, offering a revolutionary toolkit for creators across various disciplines. From filmmaking and animation to gaming and graphic design, the possibilities are as boundless as the human imagination. For filmmakers and visual artists, GPT-4o Vision unlocks a world of previously unimaginable possibilities, creating breathtaking special effects, generating complex 3D models, and even bringing extinct creatures back to life on screen is now within reach, pushing the boundaries of what's visually possible. Imagine crafting epic battle sequences with thousands of computer-generated soldiers, each moving with lifelike precision, or designing alien landscapes with intricate details, all made possible with a few clicks and prompts. GPT-40 Vision empowers artists to transcend the limitations of traditional filmmaking, making the impossible breathtakingly real. But the impact of GPT-40 Vision extends far beyond Hollywood blockbusters. Independent filmmakers and small studios now have access to tools that were once exclusive to big-budget productions, democratizing the creative process and ushering in a new wave of diverse and innovative storytelling. Remember the last time you were blown away by the realism of a video game, or watched in awe as a virtual reality experience transported you to another world? GPT-4o Vision sits at the heart of this revolution, blurring the lines between the real and the rendered with astonishing fidelity. In the gaming industry, GPT-4o Vision is a game changer, literally. Imagine stepping into a virtual world indistinguishable from reality, where every leaf on a tree sways in the wind, and every ray of sunlight casts realistic shadows and reflections. This level of immersion creates unparalleled gaming experiences, allowing players to lose themselves in richly detailed worlds teeming with life and adventure. But the impact of GPT-4o Vision in gaming extends beyond visual fidelity. It can be used to generate dynamic and responsive game environments, creating challenges and experiences tailored to each player's actions. From crafting lifelike NPCs with unique personalities to generating unpredictable storylines that keep players on the edge of their seats, GPT-40 Vision empowers developers to create truly immersive and unforgettable gaming experiences. The future of gaming is here, and it's limited only by the bounds of imagination. The hum of the industry has always been a symphony of human endeavor, but a silent revolution is underway, transforming the workplace as we know it. GPT-4o Vision, often working quietly behind the scenes, is becoming an indispensable ally in various sectors, streamlining processes and boosting productivity in ways never before imagined. Imagine a world where mundane and repetitive tasks are no longer the domain of human workers. GPT-4o Vision can analyze documents, extract data, and generate reports with remarkable speed and accuracy, freeing up human employees to focus on more creative and strategic endeavors. From finance to marketing, from customer service to human resources, GPT-4o Vision is automating workflows, reducing errors, and unlocking new levels of efficiency. Imagine a world where customer queries are answered instantly by AI-powered chatbots that understand natural language, or where marketing campaigns are personalized based on real-time data analysis, maximizing their impact. This isn't about replacing human workers but augmenting their capabilities, allowing them to focus on what they do best: problem-solving, critical thinking, and forging meaningful connections. As GPT-4o Vision takes on the heavy lifting of routine tasks, the human workforce is liberated to embrace more fulfilling and impactful roles. Beyond automation amplifying human potential, the true power of GPT-40 Vision lies not just in its ability to automate, but in its potential to amplify human ingenuity. By taking over tedious and time-consuming tasks, this revolutionary technology empowers us to explore new frontiers of innovation and creativity. Imagine architects collaborating with AI to design sustainable and aesthetically stunning buildings, or engineers leveraging GPT-40 Vision to optimize complex systems and develop groundbreaking technologies. The possibilities are truly limitless. In the realm of scientific research, GPT-4o Vision is accelerating discoveries by analyzing vast data sets, identifying patterns, and generating hypotheses at a pace unimaginable for human researchers alone. Imagine a cure for cancer being discovered years ahead of schedule, or new energy sources being unlocked, all thanks to the collaborative power of human intellect and artificial intelligence. The workplace of the future is a place where human and artificial intelligence work in synergy, each complementing the other's strengths. As we embrace the transformative potential of GPT-40 Vision, we unlock a future where human potential knows no bounds. Education revolution, learning in a hyper-real world. Imagine a classroom without walls where the boundaries of time and geography dissolve, and the pursuit of knowledge becomes an immersive, interactive adventure. This is the promise of education in the age of hyperreality, where GPT-4o Vision transforms how we learn, teach, and explore the vast expanse of human knowledge. No longer confined to textbooks and static images, students can step into virtual environments that bring historical events to life, explore the human body in intricate detail, or journey through the cosmos from the comfort of their classrooms. Imagine learning about ancient Rome by virtually walking through the bustling marketplace, or understanding complex scientific concepts through interactive simulations powered by GPT-4o Vision. This immersive learning experience transcends the limitations of traditional teaching methods, making education more engaging, accessible, and impactful. GPT-4o Vision can also personalize the learning journey for each student, adapting to their pace, learning style, and interests. Imagine a world where every student has access to a personalized AI tutor, providing tailored support and guidance, ensuring no one gets left behind. But the impact of GPT-4o Vision on education extends beyond the classroom. Imagine a world where lifelong learning becomes seamless and accessible, where anyone, regardless of age or background, can explore new subjects, acquire new skills, and unlock their full potential through immersive learning experiences powered by AI. This is the future of education, where learning becomes a lifelong adventure fueled by curiosity and empowered by technology. The guardian algorithm AI and the future of safety. In an increasingly interconnected world, safety and security are paramount concerns. As we navigate the complexities of the digital age, GPT-4o Vision emerges as a powerful ally, enhancing our ability to predict, prevent, and respond to threats with unprecedented speed and precision. Imagine a world where security cameras are no longer passive observers, but vigilant guardians, capable of analyzing real-time footage to identify potential dangers before they escalate. GPT-4o Vision empowers security systems to recognize suspicious activities, detect anomalies, and even predict the likelihood of incidents based on environmental factors and historical data. This proactive approach to security extends beyond surveillance. Imagine a world where autonomous vehicles, guided by GPT-4o Vision, can anticipate and avoid accidents, where smart homes can detect and alert homeowners to potential hazards, and where cities can optimize traffic flow and emergency response times based on real-time data analysis. The future of safety is not about creating a world devoid of risk, but about empowering ourselves with the tools and technologies to mitigate those risks effectively. GPT-4o Vision, with its ability to analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and make predictions, holds the key to creating a safer and more secure future for all. As we stand at the cusp of a hyper-real future, marveling at the transformative potential of technologies like GPT-4o Vision, it's crucial to acknowledge the ethical tightrope we walk. While the ability to manipulate and enhance reality offers unparalleled opportunities, it also presents profound challenges that we must address with wisdom and foresight. The very power that allows us to create hyper-real experiences, the power to blur the lines between the real and the fabricated, can be easily misused. Imagine a world where deepfakes are used to spread misinformation and sow discord, where biased algorithms perpetuate societal prejudices, and where the erosion of trust in what we see and hear becomes the norm. The rise of hyperreality necessitates a parallel rise in our ethical awareness and responsibility. We must develop critical thinking skills to discern truth from fabrication, to question the sources of information, and to be wary of manipulated narratives. Education plays a vital role in this endeavor, equipping individuals with the tools to navigate the complexities of the digital age. Furthermore, we need robust ethical frameworks to guide the development and deployment of these powerful technologies. Governments, tech companies, and individuals must collaborate to establish clear guidelines, ensuring transparency, accountability, and responsible use of technologies like GPT-4o Vision. The future of hyperreality hinges on our ability to wield its power ethically and responsibly. The journey into hyperreality is not one we undertake passively. We have a responsibility to shape this future, ensuring it reflects our values and aspirations for a just and equitable society. This requires a collective effort, a global conversation about the ethical implications of these powerful technologies. We must promote digital literacy, empowering individuals to critically evaluate the information they encounter online and to recognize the potential pitfalls of hyperreality. This includes educating people about the existence and dangers of deepfakes, the importance of verifying information from multiple sources, and the need to be aware of their own biases. Furthermore, we must advocate for regulations and policies that promote transparency and accountability in the development and deployment of AI technologies. This includes demanding clear guidelines for the use of AI in sensitive areas like law enforcement, healthcare, and education. We need to ensure that these technologies are used ethically, without perpetuating existing biases or infringing on individual rights. The future of hyperreality is not predetermined. It's a future we actively create through the choices we make today. By embracing ethical awareness, advocating for responsible development, and fostering critical thinking, we can harness the transformative power of technologies like GPT-4o Vision to build a future where reality, though enhanced, remains grounded in truth, justice, and the betterment of humanity. We stand at a fascinating crossroads where the line between the real and the virtual is becoming increasingly blurred. The advent of hyperreality, fueled by technologies like GPT-4o Vision, presents both unparalleled opportunities and unprecedented challenges. As we've explored throughout this essay, the implications of this paradigm shift are far-reaching, touching every aspect of our lives, from healthcare and education to entertainment and the very fabric of our social interactions. The allure of hyperreality is undeniable. It offers us a world of limitless possibilities, where we can transcend the constraints of the physical world and immerse ourselves in experiences that were once the realm of science fiction. We can travel to distant lands, interact with historical figures, and even explore the inner workings of the human body, all from the comfort of our homes. But this seductive allure must not blind us to the potential pitfalls. The same technologies that empower us to create and experience hyperreality can also be used to deceive, manipulate, and erode our trust in what we see and hear. The rise of deepfakes, the spread of misinformation, and the potential for algorithmic bias are all challenges we must confront head-on. As we venture deeper into the hyperreal frontier, it's imperative that we proceed with both caution and optimism. The future of hyperreality hinges on our ability to harness its transformative power responsibly, ethically, and for the betterment of humanity. The journey into hyperreality is not a passive one. It's a journey we must actively shape, ensuring that this new reality reflects our values, aspirations, and commitment to a just and equitable society. This requires a collective effort, a global conversation about the ethical implications of these powerful technologies and the safeguards we need to implement. Education is paramount. We need to equip future generations with the critical thinking skills to navigate the complexities of a hyperreal world. This includes teaching them to question the sources of information, to recognize the signs of manipulation, and to be discerning consumers of digital content. Furthermore, we need to foster a culture of responsible innovation within the tech industry. This includes promoting transparency in the development and deployment of AI technologies, establishing clear ethical guidelines, and ensuring accountability for any misuse or unintended consequences. The future of hyperreality is not predetermined. It's a future we actively create through the choices we make today. By embracing ethical awareness, promoting digital literacy, and fostering responsible innovation, we can harness the transformative power of hyperreality to build a future where technology empowers, enlightens, and enhances our shared humanity. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your subscription and will be happy to see you on our next video.